The secret Goldilocks zone. Have you ever heard someone say that something is just right? Maybe your hot chocolate is not too hot and not too cold. Maybe your bicycle seat is adjusted to the perfect height. Believe it or not, scientists use the exact same idea when they search for planets that might support life. And that idea comes from an old story, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Let's begin with the story. One day, a girl named Goldilocks wandered into a house in the forest. The house belonged to three bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Inside, she found 3 bowls of porridge. Papa Bear's porridge was too hot. Mama Bear's porridge was too cold. Baby Bear's porridge was just right. Next, she tried 3 chairs. One was too big, one was too small, one was just right. Finally, she found 3 beds. One was too hard, one was too soft, one was just right. The phrase "just right" appears again and again throughout the story. But what if I told you that astronomers use the same idea to search for worlds beyond our solar system? Imagine that you are an astronomer looking for life somewhere in the universe. You can't visit every planet. There are simply too many. So where should you start? Scientists look for places that are not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water. This special region around a star is called the Goldilocks Zone, or the habitable zone. What is the Goldilocks Zone? The Goldilocks Zone is the distance from a star where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Think of 3 imaginary planets. Planet 1 is very close to its star. It is scorching hot. Water quickly turns into steam. Too hot. Planet 2 is very far away. Everything is frozen solid. Too cold. Planet 3 sits somewhere in between. Temperatures may allow oceans, rivers, and rain. Just right. Scientists are especially interested in planets like Planet 3 because all known life on Earth depends on liquid water. Earth lives in the Goldilocks zone. Our own planet happens to orbit in the Sun's habitable zone. If Earth were much closer to the Sun, our oceans might evaporate. If Earth were much farther away, the oceans could freeze. Earth's position helps keep temperatures suitable for liquid water. Of course, Earth's climate also depends on many other things, including its atmosphere, clouds, and greenhouse gases. The distance from the Sun is only part of the story. Now let's go much farther away. Astronomers have discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars. These planets are called exoplanets. Some are giant gas worlds larger than Jupiter. Some may be rocky like Earth. Whenever scientists discover a new exoplanet, one of the first questions they ask is, does this planet lie in the Goldilocks zone? If the answer is yes, astronomers become excited, but they still have many more questions to answer. Just right is more complicated than it sounds. Here's the surprising part. Being in the Goldilocks zone does not automatically make a planet habitable. A planet can be at the perfect distance from its star and still be a terrible place for life. Scientists also wonder, does the planet have an atmosphere? Is there liquid water? Is gravity too strong or too weak? Does the star produce dangerous radiation? Does the planet have seasons? How thick are the clouds? Does the planet have a magnetic field that protects it? Could there be alien Goldilocks? Imagine that somewhere, hundreds of light years away, there is another rocky planet orbiting in its own Goldilocks zone. Perhaps it has oceans. Perhaps it has clouds. Perhaps strange plants grow there under a red sky. Right now, nobody knows. But telescopes are becoming more powerful every year, helping scientists search for clues. Maybe one day, someone your age will help discover whether another just right world truly exists. Goldilocks searched for porridge, chairs, and beds that were just right. Astronomers search for planets that are just right for liquid water, and perhaps for life itself. The next time you hear the phrase, not too hot, not too cold, but just right, remember, it isn't only the lesson of a fairy tale. It is also one of the biggest ideas guiding humanity's search across the universe. Keep searching among the stars.